friends, I'm Harpreet Kaur and today I'm going to teach about the topic homophones. Homophones are words which sound same but they mean different. That is, they have different meanings. For example, if we take the example of this, the first one is allowed. Allowed is when someone permits you. Allowed is a verb. The second one is allowed. It means when the pace is high. The second one is hair. Hair when you talk about an animal, that is deer. The second one is hair, that is the part of your body. The third one is practice. When we talk about practice, it is always used as a noun. The second one is practice. This is used as a verb, that is, it can be created into an activity. The fourth one is break. When you take an off from work or somewhere for a while. The next one is brake. That is, we consider it the vehicle's brake. And the last one is excess. When something is present in bulk, that is excess. And when we talk about the last, assess, that means you have the privilege to do anything or you have the right to assess anything. Thank you so much for watching our video. Do wait for our next video and do not forget to subscribe our channel IELTS Learning. Thank you so much.